Uh, in today's lecture, we study this point, which is internet service provider. So, what is mean by internet service provider? Uh, you can use the internet, or you can use the different networks for internet. Okay, so there is a major part of internet service provider in the communication over the internet. Okay, so an internet service provider is a company that provides individual and other companies access to the internet and other related services such as website building and virtual hosting. Okay, so most of the used ISPs just like this, that is Gigatel network, Tech2, Pulse. All of you known about the BSNL. Okay, so BSNL तुम्हाला माहिती असेल किंवा in Khed City you all are uses Hathway network. Okay, so Hathway is nothing but the internet service provider. So another one is Tikona, Airtel. Okay, so these are the internet service providers that can provides the access to the internet. Okay, internetला access provide करण्याचं काम हे internet service providers करत असतात. So these are the example I'm giving you, just like BSNL, Hathway, Airtel, Tikona, or Gigatel network. So all are these example of ISP. Okay, so most urban areas only offer a few high-speed choices, with rural areas often only have DSL, satellite, or dial-up options. Okay, so there are different options for providing the internet services to the users or the particular companies. Okay, so there are DSL network or satellite or dial-up options. ओके, सो हे नेटवर्क काय असतात? आता तुम्ही हॅथवेचं असेल तर तुम्ही नेटवर्क म्हणजे वायर्ड कनेक्शन थ्रू सुद्धा तुम्ही यूज करता किंवा वायरलेस कनेक्शन थ्रू सुद्धा तुम्ही यूज करू शकता. म्हणजे जर तुम्ही वायफाय यूज करत असाल तर ते वायरलेस असतं, आणि जर तुम्ही केबल थ्रू जर तुमच्या घरी जर नेटवर्क येत असेल तर ते वायर्ड कनेक्शन असतं. Okay, so there are different types of connections which are used by the internet service providers. So there are a connection which is a dial-up connection. A dial-up connection means the subscriber establishing a connection by phoning the operator's equipment before traffic can be exchanged to the operator's internet service. Okay, so it can be one-to-one communication which is done between dial-up connection, and there is a connection which is made between that two subscribers, and the communication is over here. ओके, याच्यामध्ये एंड टू एंड कम्युनिकेशन केलं जातं डायलअप कनेक्शन मध्ये. देन देर आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरवर्डिंग कन्सेप्ट्स आर युज्ड, जस्ट लाईक IPv4 unicast forwarding and IPv4 multicast forwarding. So I am saying you about IP. IP means internet protocol address, and it is IPv4 means internet protocol version 4, and it contains the unicast forwarding and multicast forwarding, which is used under internet service provider. Okay, so what are the particular meaning of that forwarding? That means the operator provides transport of IPv4 packets with an address to the sender and an address to the receiver. Okay, so in multicast forwarding, the address is receiver address is an IP group address. ओके, सो आता तुम्हाला हे इन डिटेल समजणार नाही की डिरेक्टली हे IPv4 काय आहे किंवा मल्टीकास्ट फॉरवर्डिंग काय आहे, युनिकास्ट फॉरवर्डिंग काय आहे. सो these concepts are related to the network. So when you study that particular concepts in computer network subject, then you can easily understand this particular part. Okay, so from now you are going to study this particular point in computer network. Okay, तुम्हाला सेकंड सेमिस्टरला असेल, अदरवाइज थर्ड सेमिस्टर you have the subject of computer network. So in that subject all these points are included. So now you just remember the IPv4 unicast forwarding and IPv4 multicast forwarding are included under internet service provider, and that internet service provider can provides the access to the internet, and some of the examples are given here. Okay. So this is the basic point, which is internet service provider. Then second one is domain name server. Okay. So first chapter is related to the network and internet. Okay. So that's why these concepts are given here. From second chapter, you are going to study the HTML. That means website development related ज्या काही commands असतील त्या. Okay. So in next one, which is domain name server. So domain name server, it is also called as a DNS. Okay. And it maintains a directory of domain names and their matching IP addresses. The DNS allow you to type names into your web browser like google.com, and your computer to automatically find that IP address on the internet. Okay. So domain name service, it is the service used to convert human readable names of hosts to IP addresses. And for example, see here, I'm using this here. Okay. And this is one of the browser. So I'm typing it here, www.google.com. So this is the domain name, which is google.com. Okay. And I just typing it here. आता हे जे मी टाइप केलेलं आहे google.com, इट हॅव इट्स ओन IP ॲड्रेस. याचा एक पर्टिक्युलर IP ॲड्रेस असणार आहे. जसा तुमच्या सिस्टीमला तुमची सिस्टीम ही IP ॲड्रेस वरून आयडेंटिफाय केली जाते. ओके. जस्ट वेट. So this google.com have particular IP address. Suppose you have known the particular IP address of that particular domain, then you can type it here only that particular domain name, the domain address. Okay. Just like this, it contains the 4 part IP address. Okay. So we don't know any of the IP address of the particular website. So that's why we can use just like this. Okay. For example, www.rediffmail.com. Okay. So this is the domain name system, which is rediffmail.com. Okay. Suppose I want to use www.msrtc. Okay. .com or .in. Okay, so this is the another domain name, which is msrtc.in. When we can type it here, then its name is converted into the IP address, and that IP address is just like this. Domain name server, which have the particular IP address, which is in the form of like this. Okay, so this is the particular address which is in this form. For example, I am typing it here. Suppose there is a google.com, then it have the address, just consider it 23.4.5. So this is the particular IP address. Okay. So when you type the particular website name, which is called as a domain name. Okay. Upon website name म्हणतो, पण network language मध्ये it is called as a domain name. Okay. Or domain name system. So this is the domain name system, and when we can type the particular website name, then domain name service is used to convert this human readable name into the particular IP address. Okay. म्हणजे तुम्ही जरी तुम्ही इंग्लिश लँग्वेज मध्ये जर तिथे टाइप केलं तरी सुद्धा त्याचं कन्वर्जन हे पर्टिक्युलर IP ॲड्रेस मध्ये होत असतं. ओके. आणि जेव्हा इन्फॉर्मेशन येईल तेव्हा ती ह्युमन रिडेबल फॉर्मॅट मध्ये असते. म्हणजे सर्व्हर कडून जेव्हा एखादी इन्फॉर्मेशन येईल तेव्हा ती ह्युमन रिडेबल फॉर्मॅट मध्ये असते. ओके. सो each of the particular websites have the domain name service, and in that it uses the three main components, which is the resolver, then second one is name server, and database of resource record. Okay, so first one is resolver, which can be used to resolve the particular host name or a human readable name into the IP address and IP address to human readable form. Okay. Then next one is name server, and the name server is used to send the request and to return information requested by the user. ओके, म्हणजे जी युजरला रिक्वायर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे तर ती रिटर्न दिली जाते युजरला. And database of resource record, that means it is used to store the records which is done on that particular system. Okay, so these are the three components which are included under domain name server. So in this there are different DNS formats and messages are given here. So one of them the DNS, that means what are the actual domain name system is. See this particular option here. There are different websites having this particular option, that is .arpa, then .edu. Okay, educational related websites have the domain .edu. Okay, so domain is depends upon the point and after that the particular word. Okay, see here msrtc.in. In stands for India. So IN is the one of the domain. Okay, then another one, when I am typing it here .com, then it is a .com is another domain, and it stands for commercial. Okay, then I am using it here. Google.com, then it is a commercial website. Suppose I'm using here .gov. Okay, it is a government website, that is gov stands for government, so it has the separate domain which is gov. Then the another domains are like .mil, which is used for military. Then suppose org stands for organization. Okay, suppose we open our college website here, then it considered as .org. Okay, so like this it have the particular domain which is .org. Okay, then US, UK, one of the countries have their particular domain, just like IN, which is IN stands for India. Okay, US stands for United States. Okay, just like this it has the particular domain names. Then the next one is internet address. So internet address is nothing but the internet protocol address, or it is also called as a IP address. Okay, so an IP address is a label which is assigned in numbers to each devices who are the part of or involve a computer network that uses the internet protocol for communication. Okay, so that internet protocol address is used for communication over the network. नेटवर्क वरती जर कम्युनिकेशन करायचं असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी IP address important असतो, because each of the system can be identified by only the IP address. They don't understand any name of the particular system over the network. That computer system is only identified by the IP address. Okay, म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण नेटवर्क वरती एखादं an IP address is for human to use, and it has the 4 bytes like this. आता मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं 4 bytes असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. This is the first one, second, third, fourth. Okay, see this 194 is first, then point again 23 is another then 4 is third and 3 is fourth. Okay, याच्यामध्ये नंबर्स असतात आणि त्याच्यामध्ये लिमिट आहेत की त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही या 4 कॉर्ड्स मध्ये किती नंबर्स यूज करू शकता किंवा याच्यामध्ये किती नंबर्सची लिमिट आहे. ओके, तर ते याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला इथं मिळेल की याच्यामध्ये क्लासेस आहेत, त्या क्लासेसमध्ये असतील तर त्याच्यामध्ये किती त्याचा पर्टिक्युलर सिक्वेन्स असणार आहे किंवा नंबर्स असणार आहेत. ओके, and a hardware address such as Ethernet address of your computer. आणि जर computer use करत असाल, then each computer have an Ethernet address. Okay, that means each and every computer, every laptop have an Ethernet address. Okay, so and that particular Ethernet addresses are different. So and this chart is given that first chord is network ID and third chords are host IDs for class A. Okay, then the two first chords are in class B and two chords are in host ID. Same like this, third three chords are under class C and one chord is under host ID. Okay, तर आता हे काय आहे तर इथे बघा, त्याच्यामध्ये जर फर्स्ट कॉर्ड हा नेटवर्क आयडी असेल आणि हे रिमेनिंग थ्री कॉर्ड्स हे होस्ट आयडी असतील तर तो क्लास ए मध्ये असणार आहे. देन इफ these two chords are under network ID and these two chords are under host ID, then it is under B. Same like this C. Okay, तर या टाइप मध्ये याचं डिव्हिजन केलेलं आहे. सो आय एम नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग इन डिटेल, you just study that in network subject. Okay, so this is the overview of internet protocol address. So now you just remember. Then the next one is World Wide Web and its evolution. Okay, so I'm explaining about the World Wide Web and internet in our first lecture. Okay, so just overview this point here. So Sir Tim Berners-Lee, which is invented the World Wide Web in 1989. Okay, so this is the inventor of World Wide Web, and some of the points which is given here, which is HTML, then URI and HTTP. Okay, so first one is HTML, which is needed for World Wide Web. World Wide Web ही तुमची या 3 points वरती depend आहे. So first one is HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language, and it is used for developing the particular web pages. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय एम शोविंग यू. आता तुम्हाला हे HTML कुठं यूज होतं तर मी एक पर्टिक्युलर वेबसाईट ओपन करून दाखवते तुम्हाला. व्ह्यू पेज सोर्स. आता हे जे काही पेज आहे त्याचं मी जर व्ह्यू पेज सोर्स केलं तर याच्यामध्ये बघा तुम्हाला इथे दिसेल, बघितलात HTML. ओके, सो इट all that commands, this head command, then this title command. Okay, so this script command, this is all the code of particular site in HTML फॉर्मॅट. म्हणजे मी हे जे तुम्हाला आता स्क्रीनवरती दिसतंय, आता हे जे काही फॉर्मॅट आहे या पेजचा, वेब पेजचा, तर तो वेब पेजचा फॉर्मॅट कशातून बनवलेला आहे तर HTML मधून बनवलेला आहे. आणि हे जे काही कोडिंग आहे ते पूर्ण HTML मध्ये आहे. ओके, सो दीज आर दी लिंक कमांड. ओके, head command, body command, division command, all these commands are used under HTML. So these types of sites are making by using the HTML language. Okay, so this is the use of HTML. So in World Wide Web there is a important role of HTML. Then second one is URL, or it is also called as URI. URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier, or it is also called as Uniform Resource Locator, that is called as URL, and it is an address that is unique and used to identify each resource on the web. Okay, so URL means suppose I want to share the particular website of our college, then I am just copies this particular URL address and I am sharing with on particular media. Okay, म्हणजे मला जिथं शेअर करायचंय तिथं मी ही URL काय करू शकते, शेअर करू शकते. URL is nothing but the particular name which is given in this particular URL browser. Okay, इथं आपल्याला तो मेन्शन करावा लागतो. And the third one is HTTP. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it allows for the retrieval of linked resources across the web. So there are different particular websites available over the internet and all that particular websites can use HTTP. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. See here, I am just typing it here, www.icsk.org, but when it retrieved to that particular website, then it converted to https:/icsk.org. ओके, या इथे काय झालेलं आहे ते कन्वर्ट झालेलं आहे. सपोज आय एम युजिंग इट हियर www.google.com. okay, then it also converted to https. okay, so that means it is correctly moved to that particular website किंवा करेक्टली आपण त्या लोकेशनला गेलेलो आहोत ते इथं काय होतं प्रूफ होतं. अँड दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट इन द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ misuse of the data and hacking purposes. Then the next one is uniform resource locator. So in this URL is given in detail. So URL is the abbreviation of uniform resource locator, and it is the global address of document and other resources on the World Wide Web. And the components of URL are the protocol, which is HTTP, the host or host name, then subdomain, then domain name, top level domain, second level domain, and the port number. Okay, so see this particular option which is given here, which is a structure of URL. It is which is given as a particular URL of a website. So first one is protocol HTTP. Then another one is host or host name. Okay, see this YouTube. Okay, then subdomain. Suppose you have .com/in or .co.in. Then it have domain and subdomain name. Okay, and after that top level domain and second level domain. And when we can use open one of the another thing, then it comes under the top level domain and second level domain. So in this format, this uniform resource locator address is generated, that is URL address is generated. Then the another one is browsers. So browsers are internet have the different browsers to access the particular browsers can give the access to the internet, and there are different browsers which are available for the users. So one of them which is Internet Explorer, then another one is Netscape Navigator, then Opera, then Firefox, then Google Chrome. So these are the most used वेब ब्राउझर्स. ओके, हे वेब ब्राउझर्स आहेत. आता तुम्हाला इथं डेस्कटॉप वरती मी दाखवते, याच्यामध्ये सपोज इथं इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर नाहीये, तर इथे इंटरनेट IE टाईप केलं तरी तुम्हाला इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर वरती तुम्ही काय करू शकता, सर्चिंग करू शकता. ओके, जसं आपण गुगल क्रोम वरती करतो त्या टाईप मध्ये. ओके, सी हियर. Okay, see in Internet Explorer, I am opening this Google website or Google search engine. Then I am using here Firefox. Firefox is another browser. And just type it here as you want. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जे हवं ते तुम्ही इथं सर्च करू शकता. ओके, तर मी हे फायरफॉक्स ब्राउझर मधून ओपन केलेलं आहे. देन अनदर वन इज गुगल क्रोम. गुगल क्रोम तुम्हाला सर्वांना माहितीच असेल. त्याच्यानंतर ओपेरा आहे, इथं आता इन्स्टॉल नाहीये ओपेरा. सो वन ऑफ देम विच इज ओपेरा, फायरफॉक्स, गुगल क्रोम, नेटस्केप नेव्हिगेटर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जे काही पूर्वी यूज व्हायचं त्याच्यामध्ये जो मोस्ट वाइडली युज्ड ब्राउझर होता तो इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर होता. So Internet Explorer is the most popular and widely used web browser from Microsoft. Internet Explorer browser is provided by Microsoft and it was released as the default browser with Windows 95. Windows 95 मध्ये default browser हा रिलीज केलेला होता. अँड there are different features which is available in Internet Explorer, which is given here. Okay, after that the next browser, which is Netscape Navigator, and it is released in 13 October 1994. Okay, and it is invented by Netscape. Okay, then there are different features are added and different versions are generated. So it have the version just like 1.0, 1.1, and that are developed day by day. The next one is Opera. Opera began in 1994, and it is a research project at Telenor. Okay, and the next one is Firefox. Mozilla Firefox, or it is also called as a Firefox, and it is a free and open source web browser. Okay, so, it is also comes under open source. Okay, so Firefox browser is a open source web browser, and developed by the Mozilla Foundation and its subsidiary, the Mozilla Corporation. Okay, त्यांच्या कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये हे ब्राउझर क्रिएट केलेलं आहे, विच इज फायरफॉक्स. अँड नाव द मोस्टली युज्ड वेब ब्राउझर विच इज गुगल क्रोम, which is developed by Google. So Google Chrome is a freeware web browser developed by Google, and it was first released in 2008 and for Microsoft Windows, and was ported to Linux, Mac OS, iOS and Android. की या मोबाईलवरती किंवा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टीम वरती गुगल क्रोम हा ब्राउझर काय होऊ शकतो, यूज होऊ शकतो. Okay, so these are the particular browsers. So you just download it from your Play Store on your mobile phone and use it. ओके, तुम्ही प्ले स्टोअर मधून तुमच्या मोबाईल वरती सुद्धा हे डाउनलोड करून त्याचा यूज कसा होतो हे तुम्ही बघू शकता. ओके, सो इफ देर आर एनी प्रॉब्लेम इन दिस लेक्चर देन से मी. ओके, this point is covered in next lecture. Okay, mention your roll number in chat box.